Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to install Gmail on iPhone. So step one, open the App Store. Then click on the search bar and click here and search for Gmail. This is it. This is the Gmail app. As you see, Gmail, email by Google. Click on Get and wait a moment. Click on Install. Fill in your iCloud password. And wait for the download to complete. And then click on Open. Just like this, the Gmail app will open up. And this is how to install Gmail on iPhone. Now all you need to sign in or to add your Google account, click on sign in, select Google, click on continue, fill in your Gmail address here, click on next, then your password, and you will access your Gmail account. And this is how to install Gmail on iPhone. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.